You will love this Lao Gan Ma garlic shrimp fried rice recipe. It tastes incredibly delicious with an unforgettable flavor, which makes you crave for more. First, let's cook some jasmine rice. Remember to always rinse the rice 2 to 3 times to eliminate extra starch before cooking. For this recipe, you can also use 1-day-old rice. However, if you don't have leftover rice, it's perfectly fine to cook the rice during the day and let it cool down before cooking. This is what I normally do. I cook the jasmine rice on medium-high, medium, and low for about 15 minutes until the rice is well cooked. Then transfer the cooked rice to a large bowl and set aside to let it cool down. Next, let's prepare 2 large eggs and whisk well. Then set it aside. Now in a wok, adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil on medium-high heat. Then adding 6 large finely chopped garlic. Stir for about 20 seconds until fragrant. Then adding 14 large shrimp that are peeled and deveined. Cook the shrimp for 2 to 3 minutes until nicely pink. Then adding a pinch of salt. Now adding the eggs. Let's sit for 30 seconds before scrambling the eggs and stir fry with the shrimp for about 1 to 2 minutes. It's time to adding the cooked jasmine rice. Gently mix well. Then adding 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, then adding 2 tablespoons of Lao Gan Ma. Use the kind that's named chicken flavored chili oil with tofu. This is the key sauce that makes the magic happen. Combine everything well. Then adding 3 chopped green onions and mix well again. Look how beautiful the color is, and I can't wait to taste it. Transfer the rice to a serving bowl and garnish with more chopped green onions on top. This Lao Gan Ma garlic shrimp fried rice is simple and quick to make. A few ingredients create a mouthful of magic flavors. I hope you can give this recipe a try. Remember to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I will see you in my next video. Thank you and bye!